Energy-efficient windows. Glendale AZ are a top choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Glendale Window Installation Services offer a variety of options, including double-glazed windows Glendale and triple-pane windows Glendale, to enhance your home's energy efficiency. Window replacement experts in Glendale provide comprehensive services to upgrade your existing windows to more energy-efficient models. Whether you're interested in insulated glass Glendale, Arizona, or low-E glass Glendale services, these professionals can help you select the best options for your needs. Energy-saving windows. Glendale are an excellent investment for reducing utility bills and increasing property value. For those seeking to improve their home's thermal performance, thermal windows Glendale and argon-filled windows Glendale are excellent choices. These energy-efficient windows Glendale are designed to provide superior insulation, reducing the need for heating and cooling. Window sealing. Glendale AZ and window caulking Glendale AZ are essential services to ensure your windows are airtight and energy efficient. Vinyl Windows Glendale services offer durable and low-maintenance options for homeowners. These windows are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation. Custom windows. Glendale services allow you to choose the perfect style and design to match your home's aesthetic while improving energy efficiency. Custom windows. Glendale services allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to match their aesthetic preferences and functional needs. Window frames Glendale, Arizona come in various materials and styles, ensuring a perfect fit for any home. Window efficiency Glendale is a key consideration for those looking to maximize their home's energy performance. Window glazing. Glendale AZ and window contractors Glendale, Arizona offer expert guidance and installation services to ensure your windows are installed correctly and perform at their best. Energy Star Windows. Glendale are a trusted choice for those seeking certified energy-efficient solutions. Window insulation Glendale AZ is essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment year-round. Soundproof windows? Glendale are ideal for those living in noisy areas, providing a quieter indoor environment. Window tinting Glendale, Arizona can also enhance privacy and reduce glare, making your home more comfortable. Window maintenance Glendale, Arizona is crucial for ensuring your windows remain in top condition and continue to provide energy savings. Window contractors Glendale, Arizona are experienced in all aspects of window installation and replacement. They can assist with window upgrades Glendale, Arizona, ensuring your home is equipped with the latest energy-efficient technology. Energy Star Windows. Glendale are a popular choice for their proven performance in reducing energy consumption. Window insulation Glendale AZ is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable indoor climate. Proper window glazing Glendale AZ and window frames. Glendale, Arizona contribute to the overall efficiency of your windows. By investing in high-quality, energy-efficient Windows Glendale solutions, you can enjoy a more sustainable and cost-effective home.